Welcome to CIS 102 online at Camden County College. My name is Anita Wright, and I will be the instructor for the course this semester. My office hours will be on Thursday evening from 6 to 8 p.m., and I have face-to-face on-campus office hours in SIM 111 on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 1:30 to 2:30. Here is what you will need to get started for our online course. You need to purchase either an e-version or hard copy version of the textbook you see here. This is Microsoft Office 365 Excel 2016. The authors are Parsons, Oha, Casey, and Desjardins. You will need a copy of MS Excel 2016 set up on your computer. I recommend using a Windows PC computer since Microsoft Office was designed to work on PCs. You must be enrolled in order to access the Canvas website. This semester, Camden County College will be using Canvas, and you gain access to the website by being enrolled in the course and entering through the MyCCC web portal. So you'll need to sign into that first in order to get to Canvas. Also note that Canvas has an app that you can download on your smartphone. Once you have your book, you're logged into Canvas. The next thing you need to do is read the documents provided in the introductory module. Then complete the required Week 1 forum. This asks you to introduce yourself to the class. And then you need to review and practice Module 1 in your textbook. Since CIS 102 has a prerequisite of computer literacy or personal computer applications, a working knowledge of Excel is assumed, and Module 1 will help you review some of those topics. You are now set up for Introduction to Spreadsheets at Camden County College. I will see you online.